Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you this new peas packet. It's a garden peas from New Zealand and the brand name is Watties. So the pack size is 900 grams, but they are giving some 20% extra. Total it will be 1.08 kilograms. Apart from that, all the nutritional information is mentioned over here and cooking instruction, which I believe everyone knows how to cook them, and with all what dish you can add. So let's not waste much time and open it and see how the peas are, whether they are small peas, the bigger in size, or what. So here are the peas. These are frozen one and they looks beautiful green, and the size is quite good. They're very soft because frozen. You just need to put it in your cooking vessel and they'll get boiled within few seconds. So friends, do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment whether you like it or not. Thank you friends, thank you all.